Hello everyone, welcome to the Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. I hope all of you are enjoying 21 days coding challenge. So if you are stuck in 17-day problem, then I Aman is going to help you out. So here is the problem statement, the dark force. Okay, so basically the thing is that Vedant will give you one number n, okay, and another number m, okay. So initially the number is n, which is either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Either there are 10 options, okay, from 0 to 9, and n is from these 0 to 9. Okay. And you have to convert n to m. Okay. M is also from 0 to 9, and you have to convert n to m. Okay. And you can see here that all these 10 digits can be generated from uh, these bulbs, basically LEDs. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so total 7 LEDs are there, and you can generate any digit from glowing these LEDs. Okay, suppose that you have to generate 1. So what can you do? You can glow LED B and LED C. Okay, and if you have to generate 0, so 1 is already generated from B and C. So what you have to do, the rest you have to do, you have to glow D, E, F and A. Okay, so your 0 will be completed. Okay, initially these two are glowing, and you have, if you have to glow 0, then you have to glow A, D, E and F. Okay, so basic thing is that. So for glowing one LED, one spell is there, that is sender. Okay, and for turning off one LED, one spell is there, that is apagada. Okay, so basically the question is that what is the minimum number of times a dementor needs to use these spells to convert n to m. Okay, so you are given two integers n and m, and you have to convert n to m with minimum number of spells that you can use. Okay, so yeah, the basic thing is that. So you have already understood the question. Suppose that your initially n is 1. Okay, so B and C is glowing, and if you have to suppose get 7, if m is 7, so look here, 7 is means you have to glow A more. Okay, so the answer is 1. And if your, suppose that if your n is 0 and m is 9. Okay, if your n is 0 and m is 9, means you have to get 9 from 1. So what you can do, you can turn off this E number LED, you can turn off E LED, and you can turn on uh, turn on G LED. Okay, so basically you are using two spells. Okay, so your answer will be 2. So basic logic behind this is this. So yeah, so what you can do here, so you can see that there are only 10 options. Okay, so I am going to store all these values in a vector. Okay, what I can store, what I will store, suppose that for 0 I will store A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, means the letters which are glowing, the LEDs which are glowing, I will store that in V0. Okay, and in V1 I will store B and C. Okay, in V2 I will store A, B, G, E and D. Okay, like that. So see here the code. So yeah, vector, I have taken vector of string of V10. Okay, now I will do V0 equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, means what does this mean? This means that A, B, C, D, E and F, these 6 LEDs are making 0. Okay, so I am storing those in V0. Okay, similarly for V1, what is the string? VC. Okay, BC string basically denotes 1. Okay, similarly B2 for digit 2, A, B, D, E, G, and you can see here that I am storing these strings in ascending order. Okay, so yeah, likewise I am storing all the strings. Okay, now what I can do here is basically I will check what I have to get. Okay, so if your n and m are equal, then you have nothing to do. Okay, basically you have nothing to get. N and m are equal, so you have to give that condition in if, that if n equal to m, then C out 0. Okay, and in else what you can do, that you can use the find operation. Okay, I will run a for loop for j equal to 0 up to j equal to m dot size, bm dot size. Okay, because I have to obtain m. Okay, so else I will do, I have made one counter for the answer, that how many spells I am going to use, and in this I am going to run a for loop from 0 to vm dot size. Okay, the number which I have to obtain. So for that string I have to run the loop. Okay, so yeah, now I will do the find operation. Okay, so if I will find the C, suppose here in this, suppose n equal to 4. Okay, so what is the string? String will be bcfg, bcfg, and m equal to 7. So what is the string? abc. Okay, so I am checking for this string. Okay, so if a is not present in this string, then I will count 1. So answer equal to 1 plus. Okay, a is not here. Okay, so a will be counted. Now I will check for b. If b is present there, okay, if b is present in this string, okay, then I will not count and I will erase it from here. Okay, so b operation for b is also done. Now I am going to check for c. If c is there, if c is in this string, then I am not going to count and I will delete this c. Okay, so I have done for this operation. Okay, so these a b c are glowing, these leds are glowing. Now I have to off these two leds, f and g. So I have to add this size, the remaining size of this, okay, string. So what is the remaining size of this fg? The remaining size is 2. Okay, so my answer is 3. Okay, this is the basic logic behind this. Let's check another example. Suppose n equal to 2 and m equal to 3. Okay, so what will be your answer? So for 2 you got a b d e g, and for 3 you got a b c d g, a b c d g. Okay, so your answer will be, so firstly you will check for this a. If this a is present in this string, then I will not count. Okay, so this operation is done. If b is present and, okay, so I will not count and I will delete this a from first string. Okay, again I will check for this b, this b. If b is also present in this string, then I will not count and I will delete this b. Now I will check for c. If c is not there, then I will count 1. Okay, and if I'm going to next character. If d is there or not, so d is here, here, here is d. So I will not count and I will delete it from here. Okay, now I will go for g. Okay, so find your g. If g is there, then delete g. And okay, wait, a b c is not there, d g, a b c is not there, and d and g. Okay, yeah, so yeah, g is not there. G was there, so I have deleted g from here. Okay, so now you are left with this one character e. So just add the size of the string. So the remaining size of string is this only 1. Okay, so add here one more. So your answer will be 2. Okay, so the last thing why I am adding this, because we have to turn off these two characters. Okay, we have to turn off these two this character. Okay, so that's why I am adding this one here, because I am using that spell. Okay, so the basically the logic behind this is this. So yeah, I am finding using find function in vn. Okay, so vn dot begin, vn dot end, and this character I am finding vmj. Okay, and if vn it is not equal to vmj, if character does not matches, then simply count, else erase, else I am erasing that character from the previous string. Okay, so yeah, now what you will print? Cout this count plus vn dot size. So this is the basic logic behind this. I hope all of you understood this. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. Thank you.